While I got a minute, I thought I'd walk down here in the shade. That last log was nasty. It was bowed, crooked, warped, twisted, everything, knots, limbs. It's almost one of them logs where you just almost better just to throw it in the burn pile. But I got a 4x6 out of it and a couple of 1x6s. So anyway, I'm carrying on this morning. You know, sometimes us guys who do this, making content videos and stuff, we try to have a goal or a purpose, a sort of a what you might call a title, if you will, to what we're going to be doing that day. Well, today's just trying to get some of these logs cut, and before the sun gets up too high and it gets too hot. I know one thing, after that last log, I'm going to put one on there that's a little kinder, a little straighter, a little easier to be going through, if you know what I'm saying. Something when you get materials, lumber, beams, when you get all that out of a log, that's your reward. And you know, when you cut a log like that last one I did, you feel like your reward maybe might not be worth the effort. You know what I'm getting at. But anyway, let's get another log up here and see what we can do. This is one of the first few ones. I could probably get a little something out of that, but and if it was earlier in the day, I probably would. But it's not, so I'm not. I try to keep that sort of straightened up, so when I come to take it to the burn pile, won't be quite as aggravating, if you know what I mean. This is a pretty big log here, but it does have a few knots in it. Tell you what, I can tell the difference in these logs as far as the quality of how the quality is going down just after 1 week from last week. The fibers are wetter, which means moisture is soaking into the log more, which is not a good thing, because that's when you're not just fighting the bugs, but you're also fighting rot. And going against time. Boy, it's slick. What I'm thinking here is 6 inches that way. We'll flip it up, take the top off, and then get 2 4x6 beams out of this one. We'll see. It's looking like that's probably what's going to happen here. If I had to guess. And flat got some crook to it. Whoop. I've heard people say that crook is going to settle down. I can't go with that. End of that log so big, that beam, it ain't going to, in my opinion, it ain't going to move. Not right now. See that blue in that wood though? What that is water is getting in there. I don't know, it's a funny thing. Same way with dirt or soil. If soil is standing in water, it will turn blue and smell too. But I don't know, it's interesting phenomenon. I think it's interesting anyway. And some people really like that blue and want that blue. We still got won't quite do it. Unless I have a lot of wane on there, which I'm gonna. I'm gonna live with that because some of the, you gotta have some 4x6s for 45s. So I can just cut that out of that. So that was at 8. baby. Cooperate. Couple more stickers. Couple more 1x6s. Another beam. That's pretty. I've been very fortunate, very blessed. The mill's been operating very good, knock on wood. Don't want to speak too soon, but been doing good. All right, let me go get this stacked up here. I tell you what, those boards there, they laid out in the sun there for about an hour, and they really have gotten dry. Just in 1 hour. Yeah, they're not dry, but it's pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. I'm gonna call that a successful day. Well, I got a few more pines sawed up. I know the kid better get some pines sawed up. Well, the humidity's gotten up to about 173.4. The temperature's not that bad. It's probably in the mid 80s or so. But the kid's done enough for now. You know, we got to get some more pine rocking and rolling. I'm going to be getting into some larger logs here, some ash and oak. I think you understand my situation here. every week that goes by, I can see a bit of a difference. So it's time to get to rolling. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I really, really do. And I'll see you in the next one.